I chose to study education at the University of South Wales because I felt like it was a good course for me. I've always wanted to work with children. The idea of the course allowing me to have lots of options of different things that I could do. I really liked the fact that education offered an alternative placement in year 2. That's what really stuck out to me, as that would give me opportunity to not just be in a classroom but could be in any other setting. So it opened up a lot more options for me. I was able to do an outdoor learning placement, which gave me lots of good hands-on experience working with lots of different people. Uni-wise, the lectures have been really good with lots of practical things that we do, lots of group discussions, collaborations. Here at University of South Wales for this course, particularly the classroom set out like it would be in a primary school setting. You feel like you're actually in a classroom, which is nice, set out to emphasise on collaborative learning. So it really allows us to have good hands-on experience.